Friends, running kimono here. We have some midweek deals over at Walgreens and the Dollar General. Kind of pressing pause on Meijer because a lot of their deals are part of the Buy Five Save Five, and I know a lot of us are trying to get the smallest out of pocket. So I think that's definitely the way to go. So we are focusing on these two stores today for the midweek haul. If you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, or possibly hit the hype button, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could just take a second and like it. Okay, the first mystery that we're going to try and solve is this, an email that I got. Earn $10 when you spend 50, valid through the 28th. I could not load it. So I'm wondering if this is a Thursday, Friday, Saturday sort of thing, that they're offering a booster. I don't know, but I got an email this morning, so check your email and I would try loading it possibly tomorrow. I think their sales were down this week, so they were like, oh, we forgot a booster. So that's why this showed up. And also to let you guys know, a bunch of boosters for next week, which starts on the 29th, appeared. A 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G, a 10 back when you spend 40 in-store or online on anything. And then we have a 5 back when you buy 3 P&G bath care items. So I'm thinking like the Olay or Old Spice. And then there's that dental care one, but I didn't include the picture. Go and load all these, and I would definitely go and check your email as well, because something kind of goofy is going on with that, definitely, because to do that email thing, I think something they didn't make the sales that they wanted. Now, the first deal that we're going to talk about is with IBOTTA. And IBOTTA is a savings app. You earn dollars on the app towards gift cards, or you could do a drop with your bank if you want, or like PayPal or something like that. So you see how it says any grocery store? That's specifically the one that you're going to click on to make sure that your rebates are there, because you'll have to file this through any grocery store, even though you're at Walgreens. Both of these rebates, I think they had like, I don't know, 20, 30,000 units for Walgreens, and the couponers and TikTok and all that magic, they used all of them, but you could still claim it through any grocery store, a 50-cent for the liquid and a 50-cent for the pods. So, and when I went shopping, I think on Monday, there was still quite a few left at the store. So, you're going to grab a bag of pods and a thing of liquid. Your basket will probably look something like this. Of course, I doubled it because I did it over 2 days. And yes, this rebate has reset now twice for me, just to let you guys know. So is it worth getting more than one? Yes, separate transactions to send that rebate or the receipt twice. So just to show you guys, grabbing one of each, it's going to be $3.98, a pod and a liquid. Then you're going to photograph your receipt to IBOTTA through that any store. And then you're going to get your dollar back. So it's going to make it $2.98 for the two, or $1.49 each. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it for that IBOTTA money. $1.49 for Purex is a really great deal. I think on a non-sales week at the pharmacy, it's about $8 for the Purex. Really great deal. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, check out the link in the notes. When you submit your first qualifying receipt with IBOTTA, I think you're given a $5 bonus with my referral code. So check it out. Really great app. We talk about it all the time with deals over at Walgreens. Another IBOTTA that you might want to load is this 50 center with a limit of up to 5 times, and it's at the regular Walgreens. You can see it's the second store listed, and there's a lot of Act and different dental care products that are on clearance right now. I believe it's 75% off. This one doesn't have a digital coupon, but at $1.79, subtracting the 50 center from IBOTTA, it's $1.29. Or for that Axe Blue, it's $1.99. Original price, I think, is $7. Wow, it's $1.49. And if you ever go through, dental care problems, or my husband had to one time go in there for like a lot of cleanings, this was what they were suggesting he use. So it's a really great product, especially if you have sensitive gums. Another great product at $3.29. Original price is almost what, $12, is that TheraBreath toothpaste. I had no idea they even made that. And then for the kiddos, $1.19 for that Axe toothpaste. So you might want to be on the lookout for it, and definitely be smart. Make sure that you're not grabbing everything and anything, because some stuff just isn't a very good deal, including this double pack of the floss when we usually get it for 50 cents when we can line up that Colgate deal really well, or $1. And it's not the Walgreens brand. It's like actual Oral-B, like the nice stuff. So just be mindful of that, and definitely tiptoe around that aisle. You might be surprised what you find. Okay, and one last thing with IBOTTA, if you are like tooting around in the app, definitely look in the new offers, and they have this L'Oreal Elvive valid at Walgreens. Every other week we have a deal with the shampoo. I would definitely load it. At the very least, there might be a deal for that, and it's $1.50 VAC, limit of one time. The next deal, that if you can swing it this week, it is to grab a paste and a brush. That's $6 by the Colgate line, and that toothbrush is really a 10 out of 10 product. I absolutely love that toothbrush. I did stock up last week. We currently have $3 digital coupons on the paste and the brush, so load these two friends. And it's the $6 stuff, so it's just the stuff that's a bit more expensive, and I'm not complaining about that. One of each is $12, a brush and a paste. Subtracting $6 in coupons, you're paying $6. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and I will let you guys know as well. If your coupon does not come off for the brush or the paste, after your transaction, call customer service or do that chat and explain to them, and they will give you something called a missed coupon for $3. And it's usually pretty easy on their end to see that if the coupon didn't come off and you had it loaded. Other great deals I absolutely love this week at Walgreens is the buy one, get two for free on the food storage bags, shaking it out to 93 cents per box of 20. This is like the cheapest game in town, so I would definitely stock up. And if you have a bunch of hungry teenagers, or if this is your favorite cereal, there's lots of Kellogg's cereal that are buy one, get two for free at $5.29. So it makes it $1.76 per box. Hang on to that receipt too, in case IBOTTA might have a rebate for you later in the week. You have a week post to apply for IBOTTA rebates. So say a rebate for this Frosted Flake shows up the following Monday, you can still apply for it. So I would hang on to that receipt. It makes it $1.76, which is a really great price point. Use Walgreens cash, stock up your pantry. You guys have nothing to lose with that. It's a great deal. Okay, the final store that we have is the Dollar General, and in the dollar spot, so that aisle with all of the dollar items, there is this exact toothpaste. It has to be this exact toothpaste. The Crest Maximum Cavity Protection. It does everything but your taxes, and it's the 2.6 ounce tube. So I'm going to show you guys the UPC in a second. There's a $1 digital coupon attaching. This is the last dollar store in the US, so it's exactly a $1 coupon attaching. It basically makes it, I think, taxes, that's it. So it's really fantastic. Here is the UPC if you want to scan it or punch in the numbers into the Dollar General app. Hey, you know what? It's something. I know there was also really cheap Garnier shampoo with a store and a manufacturer coupon. Unfortunately, none of my accounts had both, so I could not do that deal, but it made it like $1 for two Garnier shampoos, but I did not have that coupon, and it's just the breaks of it, and I don't have like 100 accounts, so that's on me. But this is the digital coupon that you guys will load for this one, and again, you're just paying the tax, which is always fantastic. And you might want to check for the Garnier Fructis if you have a store and a manufacturer. Maybe you can make a deal happen, but I could not make it happen no matter what I was looking up. Today is Wednesday, March the 25th. There is this Wow Wednesday that when you buy a Smithfield bacon, you're going to get a dozen eggs for free. This is, again, Wednesday the 25th only at Dollar General. And so definitely I would stock up on that if you love bacon and eggs. So Good luck out there, guys. I would go and make these deals happen, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.